Hair transplant with FUE technique is one of the most common and successful cosmetic procedures today. Let me take you step by step so you can understand exactly how the process works from start to finish. The first step is diagnosis. If you're in another country, you can simply send us photo of your scalp and donor area or visit our clinic in person. At this stage, the specialist examines your scalp, evaluates the strength and the density of your hair follicles, and determines whether you are a good candidate for the procedure. They also estimate how many grafts will be needed and how much area can be covered in one session. Next step, we start with basic blood tests to make sure you are in good health. While waiting for the results, we draw your new hairline, define the donor area and the areas to be implanted, and usually shave the hair for better precision. Photos are taken before the operation to be used as reference for follow-up and results comparison later. Once your test results are ready, we move on the first step of the surgical preparation, sterilization. We carefully sterilize both the donor and the recipient areas using a medical grade antiseptic solutions to ensure a clean and safe environment before any surgical intervention. Then we move on to anesthesia, which happens in two stages. First stage, the sedation anesthesia, and the second one is the local anesthesia. Sedation lasts for about 10 minutes. It helps the body relax and allows the patients to fall into a light, comfortable sleep. So we can apply the local anesthesia smoothly without the patient feeling the needle injections. This way, the entire procedure becomes completely painless and comfortable. And to be clear, sedation anesthesia is not a general anesthesia. We will talk about it in more detail in a special video soon. Step 3. Extraction and implantation. Now we start the actual operation. The process begins with the follicle extractions. The specialist extracts the follicles one by one from the donor area using very precise tools that remove each follicle carefully through a tiny openings only about 0.5 millimeters wide. This ensures no visible scars remain after healing. We use a device called the micromotor for this stage. All extracted follicles are immediately stored in a cool draft solution that contains nutrition and vitamins to keep them alive and healthy until the implantation. Next comes to the channel opening phase. Tiny channels are opened in the bald or thinning areas using a special sapphire blade, and each channel is made at a precise angle and direction to give a completely natural look. Finally, the follicles are implanted carefully into these channels. Single hair grafts are used to design the front hairline or eyebrows, while multi-hair grafts are used in other areas to create density and balance. Once implantation is complete, we apply sterile medical bandages with antibiotics to protect the donor area and prevent any infection. Step 4. Post-operative care. 2 days after the procedure, you will visit the clinic again to learn the proper washing technique. It's done in 2 steps. First, moisturizing. You will apply the special lotion we provide for about 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and gentle flow. No rubbing or pressure on the implanted area. After that, use a special shampoo. Create a foam between your hands and pat it softly over the transplanted area. Then rinse gently the same way. You will continue the same care routine at home with clear instructions from our medical team to ensure the highest density and best success rate possible. Finally, a hair transplant with the FUE technique is not just a cosmetic procedure, it's an investment in yourself and in your confidence. In just a few hours with careful planned steps, you can restore your natural appearance and regain a sense of comfort and confidence that lasts for years. The whole procedure takes about 7 hours and the whole medical journey will be within 3 days. Still you have questions about the process? Contact our team directly. We will be happy to guide you and answer everything in detail.